Assalamualaikum and salam sejahtera. This video I would like to share with you on how to do the inventory valuation statement for course ais205. Normally we prepare this statement for individual product. So if you have more than 10 products, it is not advisable for you to use the Excel. So better of you to download or buy inventory management applications so that your work is much less than preparing the inventory valuation statement like this. Okay, now I would like to share with you how to do it. And normally we will be given the set of data, the purchases data and also the sales data from our system. And if you want to prepare any report, of course, first you must have the name of your company and then the title of the report and also the date of the report. Okay, the date of this report is 31st August 2019. So you are explaining the month of August purchases and sales, and you want to calculate the closing inventory unit and also the closing inventory value at the end of the August. So now, once you have the data, the purchases units and also the purchases cost, you can see that the cost is different from the transaction of purchases. Now, each transaction purchases you have the different cost. So you need to calculate the total amount for each purchases. So using the formula equals to the number of units multiplied with the cost, and copy the formula down. You can wait for your cursor turn into the symbol of black plus and copy them down. Again, you can copy this formula to the other side, the sales extended amount. You can just press Ctrl C and then you can enter here. And then you can copy the formula down and total them up, total the number of units and total of extended amount, and using the summations. Oops, wrong tab. Okay, summations formula, and you can copy again. Just copy the formula, so much easier. So we have the total number of units of purchases and the total amount of purchases, total number of units of sales, and total extended amount of sales. Now, the closing inventory units is the calculating by total number of purchases minus the total number of sales. That is your closing inventory unit. Okay, then you are required to calculate if you use the valuation method of FIFO, weighted average, or LIFO. LIFO is no longer allowed by financial reporting standard issued by Malaysian Accounting Standard Board because LIFO is subjected to manipulations, and the inventory is not in the inventory value is not as current value, so that's why it's no longer allowed. So but in the syllabus I need to show you how to calculate them. Okay, if you use FIFO method, so your closing inventory value, you can use the formula of if. Okay, so using formula if, okay, logical test is if the closing inventory unit is less less or equal to the number of the last purchase units. If it's less, so your if true, then you will take the closing inventory unit multiply with the last purchase cost. If it falls, means that the closing inventory unit is more than the latest purchases units. So your value should be take the last extended amount of the purchases and plus the closing inventory unit minus with the last purchases unit and multiply with the second latest cost. Then you click OK. So you have that inventory value amount. Now the weighted average is much easier. So the formula is equals to you take the closing inventory units multiply with the average cost, that is the extended amount, divide by the number of unit purchase, then that's the amount. And if LIFO, is the total opposite of first in, first out. So you are using the formula if. Okay, the logical test is the closing inventory unit, if it less or equals to the first unit of purchases, then the true value is the closing inventory multiply with the first unit, the first cost of purchases. If not, if it falls, you will take the extended amount of the first purchases plus in bracket the closing inventory unit minus the first purchases multiply with the second purchases cost. Then you click OK. So that is how you do the report. Then you can edit the report using making it more pretty so that you can send to your boss. Okay, that's it for now. Thank you for watching.